Your brother man, the one there, is back again, live and direct, to tell you what I know, to tell you some truth. You know, the truth is our religion. You know, we'll tell you the way it is. We'll tell you the truth without fear or favor. You see, these Arab people, there is something about them that I like, the Arabs, you know. When they want something, when they want freedom, they don't care what it takes. They don't care if they lose their life. They will fight till their last drop of their blood. They will fight till one man stand. They will fight till they get it. Because these guys, they are ready for business. These Arab people. That is what I like about them. They don't make mouth. When they want something, when they are tired, when they want to be free, they will stand and fight, even though if they are dying. They will fight to the last. But we in Nigeria, we have millions of lily-livered, confused people, brain-dead people. You know, Nigeria is a by-force country created, you know, for the people to remain suffer, you know, to remain in abject poverty forever, for the people to be, you know, for the youth never to succeed, for the rich to be getting richer, and for the poor to be getting poorer every. That is the reason why they create Nigeria. That is why Nigeria, it will be very difficult to set people free, for people to be free in Nigeria. Nigeria is a bondage. It will be very, very difficult. So the real reason why I am making this video is some of our brothers who is, you know, making noise, saying, no vote, no vote, no vote. My brother, shut your mouth. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. There are two ways of fighting for freedom. Either by violence or by a peaceful way. That's why I talked about the Arab people before that. You know, I like something about them. Boldness. When they are ready for business, they will tell you they are ready for business, even though they are dying. But we in Nigeria, we said we need Biafra. We want freedom. We want restructuring. We want dissolution of power. We want resources control. But for mouth, we are not ready to fight for what we believe in. But what we want to hear, people keep pampering us. Don't worry, we will survive. We must get restructuring. Shut your mouth. That's why sometimes I say, the Northerners, they are not our problem like that. We are our own problem. We are the one that is, you know, enslaving ourselves. We are not ready to be free. We are not ready to, you know, to set ourselves free. God cannot come from heaven and set you free. You are the one to fight and set yourself free. The North are not our biggest problem. We are our problem. But many of us don't want to hear this truth. You know what I'm saying now? Some people will get angry. To hell with you. I am the wounded civilian. What I'm doing, I'm not doing it for money. I'm not doing it for anything. It's what I love doing. I've been doing it for 20-something years. If I don't tell you the truth, it's like I'm sick. When I tell you, I'm okay. Because this is what God sent me here to do. To tell the people the truth. We are not ready to be free. Let me give you some example. You know, Buhari is a president who said no restructuring. Our people, my brothers from Southeast, they said they don't want to be part of this Nigerian bondage. They want to have their own Biafra. Buhari said no. He sent Python down to the Southeast, and Nnamdi Kanu is nowhere to be found. Hold it right there. You know, when Buhari traveled to any northern state, you see the crowd he pulled. You see how people, millions of people will come out and welcome him. Who can pull that kind of crowd in the South? Who? Nobody, apart from one man, my brother. That's Nnamdi Kanu. He is the only man who can pull that kind of crowd. He is the only man who can come out today. Millions of people will come looking for him. They will come out and stand with him. But you know what? Buhari sent Python down to his house, and he is nowhere to be found. So that is to show somebody who can lead people. It's not who can lead people in the southeast. It's nowhere to be found because of Buhari. The same Buhari is coming back again in 2019. He said he wants to be your president again. And you who claim you are Nnamdi Kanu follower, you are telling people not to vote. You must be stuck on stupid. You might like the kind of language I'm using now. Because when people behave stupid, you let the person know you are acting stupid. The same man who don't want to give you what you have been fighting for, what they are killing your people for, is coming back again, and you have the mouth to be telling people don't vote. If you don't vote, he will come back again. His people is behind him. His people want him to remain there. He will come back again. You will lament for another 4 years. Is that what you are telling me? My brother, wake up. Like I said, we claim we want to, like I said, it's two ways of, getting freedom. It is by violent or by peaceful way. And the way we talk is like we want the violence. And when the time comes to prove that, yes, you are really ready to do what these Arab people are, what they are ready to do to be free. You see you people, you run to social media, you run to, start telling people, Biafra, no. Start telling people, we need restructuring, use restructuring. If you want to restructuring, go out there. Go out there, physical. Did you know that the title that Buhari, the Northerner, sent to Southeast is to show how ready we are? We, that is, who claim we are looking for Biafra, is to show if we are really serious. By now, people supposed to be agitating, peaceful demonstration, supposed to be agitating, telling these people we will not rest. We want to know the whereabouts of Nnamdi Kanu. Release our brothers, even the one that is in jail. But nobody's demonstrating, nobody's doing anything. When you ask, they say they will tell you, yeah, they have plan. What plan? When Buhari is coming back again. Okay, wait. Let me give you the reason why I said we are our own problem. Buhari have been in power for almost 3 years now, if not over. They have not been able to fulfill just one of his campaign promise. People are dying every day. This is the reason why we uproot, why they send Jonathan and his gang sparking, because they said he have failed. He have not been able, this security thing. People are dying in Nigeria, Boko Haram everywhere. But you have to go for Buhari, the so-called general, to come in and bring peace to, their zoo country, Nigeria. But today, there is no day that passed, you not hear 30 people die, 20 die there, 30 for nothing. People keep killing people, butchering people, maiming people. And the same Buhari telling Nigeria is coming back again. In Edo State, out about 10 to 11 farmers, people have been killed by Fulani X-Men. Fulani X-Men, the same tribe with the president. Somebody, a minister, a senator from Edo State, raised a motion and said that Buhari is supposed to be impeached because he collected $469 million in purchase of this Tucano aircraft helicopter, to fight this already defeated Boko Haram. He said without a Senate approval. The man raised a motion, just a motion. In Edo State now, youth are demonstrating against their own brother. They are insulting Senator Matthew Urogide. They are demonstrating there now. In Edo State, almost 11 people have been killed by Hausa Fulani. Nobody is in jail. Nobody is in custody. People, I said, almost 11 people have been killed in Edo State. Farmers, for nothing. For a group of Hausa Fulani with their AK-47, kill them in their own state. Nobody's in detention. The same Edo State, the same youth from Edo State is insulting a man because he raised a motion against Buhari. Can't you see we have problem? And you don't want to vote? And you are telling me you don't want to vote? You want the person that is killing you to remain in power? My brother, go buy some sense. I said that is not enough. Few days ago, some traditional ruler, they said the traditional ruler in Imo State, in the southeast, they were endorsing Buhari for second time. Traditional ruler who's supposed to be Biafra. Traditional rulers, so they were endorsing Buhari to come for the second time. And you are telling people not to vote? We are our own problem. We are our own problem. As if that is not enough. Buhari is in America now. He's in US. Did you know that youth again, they are there singing, welcoming him? This youth that is welcoming him in America, they are not Northerners. They are Yorubas, Igbos, Edo, Ijaw people, Ishan people. They are there welcoming the same man who cannot provide security, incompetent. No, I don't want to tell you what the atrocity Buhari have been committing, the money they are stealing you, because you know already. But still, our own youth from the South are still in America singing, welcoming a man. Somebody, they just slaughtered 2 priests and almost 20-something people in Benue a few days ago. In Benue 2 days ago, nobody is in custody. Nobody is doing anything. And a youth like me and you are still there singing, hey, this man is good. They're letting me. Not that they are getting anything. Maybe their brother is in one position, you know, stuff like that. So my brother, that shit. Don't vote. Are you? It's like you are born to be slave forever. You said you need restructuring. You can't come out and demonstrate and say, no, I need restructuring. I need restructuring, even though if I'm dying. You need Biafra. You can't come out and say, I need Biafra, even though if I'm dying. You keep deceiving yourself. You keep deceiving yourself. Don't vote. Don't vote. Don't vote. Don't vote. Don't vote for what? You want to remain a slave? Buhari will be there now for another 4 years. When he's leaving, he gives the power back to one slave in the southwest. You are the one that is losing here. We keep crying, hey, how's are dominating us? When are you going to use your brain? You said you are more wiser than them. You are more educated. When are you going to use your brain? If you don't want to do, want to fight with violence, you don't want to, not violence, you don't want to do what the Arab people are doing to get their freedom. You want to use education, then use education. Let's see it. Go into politics. If you want to go into politics, me, I have sacrificed a lot for Biafra. I am one of the guys who keep preaching here. No election in Anambra, but there was. They sent in Adi, they went there, destroy his house, kill people. Our people still vote in Anambra. You ask them, they tell you, hey, they were giving money. But you vote. You take money, you vote. That is the saboteurs we have. Like this saboteur, like this slave, like this lazy, like this illiterate youth in Edo State that is demonstrating against their own son. Those are the saboteurs. That proves to you it is not easy for us to get restructured. It will not be easy for... Why can't they come out? Why Edo youth come out and say, no, we need restructuring? Why can't Delta State people come out that we need restructuring? Why can't they come out? But they can come out and criticize their own brother. For the atrocity Buhari have been committing, he appoint dead people, he reinstate record minor, 25 million NPC is missing. All this stealing here and there, snake steal money, monkey steal money. Tell me, why the Northern youth never protest against it? Any protest now against Buhari is forbidden. In Edo State, even the stupid governor, the slave governor, Obaseki, we are waving at the protesters. That means the one that sent them. So like I said before, we are our own problem. We keep saying, we are our own problem. Even the guy that was making speech in America, and Igbo man was there. Igbo man, he was the one. They said it to me. Igbo man was the one. Yoruba man was the first person who make a speech talking about those stupid protests. They called Buhari supporters. After Yoruba man, Igbo man were making speech. Yeah, they are there to support the man. He was even insulting the past government. This one is good. This one is good. People die every day. How they are slaughtering people, butchering people. He said this one, hey, this one is good, everything is fine. Even, no. We are our own problem. Not that we accept we have a problem. It is not on social media we fight. If you want to fight, let us go out there and fight. I've been saying it. Some people will say, hey, Inadikanu started from London. It started from London. Nigeria is not a place. He started from London before going home. Now, Now, wherever he is, if he's with the government or he's not with the government, wherever he is, he will feel disappointed. By now, those ones that is shouting Biafra are supposed to be on the street. We will get Biafra. But you are there. What you can do is to tell people not to vote. You are the one that will lose. My brother, Sare Dokubo, Alaji Sare Dokubo said the same thing. He said the same thing. It doesn't matter whether you are Biafra you want to. It doesn't matter whether you want restructuring. It doesn't matter. Let's support youth. A younger president. We must support youth. A younger president, not up to 50 years. I don't like Sahara. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you, I do things with sense. If you want giri, if it is action, let us be serious and do action and get our freedom. If it's by education, then let's go for education. We are claiming we want giri, then we are not doing anything. If I were told that in Adikanu, but after several months, and nobody know the whereabouts of Adikanu, those people that are shouting Biafra will go home and eat and rest. Sometimes you see people that is agitating for Biafra. You said, oh, a neighboring tribe or neighboring state people, they don't support Biafra. Your own people don't support your Biafra. How do you expect people? You want people, the other day, a traditional ruler from Imo State will be telling he endorsed Buhari for second term. And you want others to follow you when you can follow yourself. These people that is agitating now, that is welcoming Buhari, who call themselves Buhari supporters, those tribes there, you think those ones will pray for you to get Biafra? Or do they pray for us to get even restructuring? You think those ones will pray for restructuring? That's why I said the other day that all this meeting, our South, ODN, and then restructuring, it will not work. It is action. Ever since they make that, what they call it, restructuring meeting, the one they had in the other day, or be the one they had in Yoruba land. Tell me the result now. Nothing. I don't make it noise. We are our own problem. We are the one that is feeding the money they are using feeding the whole nation from the south. But they are treating us as habited class citizens in our own country. We don't have unity. There is no unity among us. A Biafra man, Igbo man will tell you, forget Biafra, go to hell Biafra. South man will tell you, no restructuring, go to hell with restructuring. The other one will come. We don't have unity. Like I said it before, look at the crowd Buhari is pulling whenever he travels to any northern state. Who can pull that kind of crowd? Tell me any politician that can pull that kind of crowd in the south. Apart from the Nadikan. They know he's the reason who can pull that kind of crowd. They go and arrest him, or I don't know. They send baton dance to his house. They do their baton dance in his house. He's nowhere to be found. He's the only one who can pull that kind of crowd. Since it's no more, look, the only thing left for us is not to be sitting down and crying, Biafra. No, restructuring, no. Let's go use our brain and let somebody who will listen to us. That's the only option now. So don't come and be telling people, not vote for what? You want to suffer another 4 years of Buhari? You want to remain crying for another? Are you not tired of crying? Tired of lamenting that your fellow black man is dominating you? Is that what you are telling me? Your own people are not ready for freedom. After the pattern dance, they get Buhari chief title in Nigeria. They give Buhari chief title in Nigeria. The Oba of Benin went to Ile-Ife to see the Oni of Ife. What they said they condemned the killing that is going on, and the government must do something about it. Why can't we traditional rulers, people understand like that? Since these two kings from South, king from Southeast can unite. Little by little, we begin to tell these people we are not happy about what is going on. Then we have another traditional ruler that is endorsing Buhari. Must you endorse Buhari? You know, when you are endorsing Buhari, you are using to kill the spirit of your own people that is agitating for self-determination. We must vote. Get up, everybody. This talk, don't vote. It is irritating me. We must vote. That's why I don't like to, before I go, let me just make this thing clear. I don't like the Sahara Reporter guy because he's the king of blackmailer. Accept. I know what he did. Not because of what he did to PDP or to Jonathan. Jonathan was not good. PDP fucked up. PDP fucked up. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Jonathan fucked up. Let's tell ourselves the truth. I know he blackmails so many people. And, to collect some money from APC. He can't deny that. We all know. But what we are saying now, the guy is the only you that is bold enough challenging these people. Challenging this old good for nothing Buhari now. That's why, if you tell me this is Sahara Reporter Sobowale, Sowore, and Buhari, which one? I'm coming to Nigeria. I'm coming to Nigeria. You think there is plan on ground? You think like I was saying, Sowore is here, Buhari is here. You think I vote for Buhari? I'll go for Sowore. But they said they zoomed the presenter power to the north for 8 years. But Sowore doesn't give a shit about that. He said he want to come. He let the youth take over. Why are we not seeing youth from the southeast that is, so bold like that? Why are we not seeing other youth from the south side that is so bold like that? Later you cry, not maltreating us. You are the one maltreating yourself. Go to Edo how they are insulting their own fellow senior brother because he criticizes Buhari. Go to Edo now, they will kill you if you criticize Buhari. Go to Imo, they will kill you if you criticize Buhari. Go to Delta, they will kill you if you criticize Buhari. And we are here, we need freedom. How can we get freedom when people don't understand the reason why we want freedom? Our people don't even understand the reason why we want freedom. The truth is what I'm here to tell you. Don't stop saying don't vote. Vote. Those people that stay telling their people don't vote, they are fools. Anybody that tell you don't vote, you ask him, then don't vote. If the person is in this, if the person is protesting on the street, the person on the street demanding the whereabouts of and he's telling you don't vote, then no problem. You are my friend. Then you are my friend. I will listen to you. No, you are not doing anything. But you tell me not to vote. No, if you want to remain a slave, if you want to remain a slave, you remain a slave. Me, I will vote for somebody who will listen to me. A southern youth man who will understand the reason why I need division, who will understand the reason why I need restructuring. If we the Biafrans are really smart, I always say, can't you use underground, send some people to go and represent us, be governor there, push them secretly, be governor there, we get 2 or 3 governors. Then we begin to tell them, no, we want to be separate, we want to have our own, you keep crying, we are not doing anything. If you don't like my video, to hell with you. The truth I will tell you, we are our own problem. Before you know it, Buhari will win again. You will continue to cry for another 4 years. Go and look Sahara Reporter now. He's doing good now. Belloc now will just win. He will win. All you go to Edo now. Youth are saying it is him. It is who they see. It is who agitate. It is he who say what to youth. Most youth are. Some of them are tired now. They want change. They want youth. He will win. He will be there for another 4 years. When he's going outside, people will come. Hey, we need another from outside. You in the southeast, in the south, you keep losing. Even though they zoom it to the north, why can't you come? Why can't we come out? Doing the things Sahara Reporter is doing. That we must, I don't care if you zoom it to the north. No youth must take over. Oh, you want to wait because Buhari promised your traditional ruler he will give power back to you 2023. You lied. You lied. Let us be sensible. Let us unite and use our sense. We are more educated than them. Let us than these northern people. Let us prove it. I am the wounded sailor. You are my brother. I love you people. That's why I'm telling you. Because we are in the same boat. I'm not doing what I'm doing for anybody, for myself. If you are free, I'm free. If I'm free, you are free. You might not like what I'm saying. That's your fucking problem. This is what I feel. Thank you. One love and God bless.